Shenzhen, the city of innovation. Young, inclusive, and open. Is home to Arcuchi Technology in the thriving Guangming District. At Arcuchi, we are committed to becoming a global leader in industrial control. After 17 years of dedicated development, we have built our own integrated R&D and control platform. Driven by customer needs and empowered by industry expertise, we continue to innovate and expand our applications across sectors. We are proud to be a rising force in China's industrial automation field, rooted in an authentic engineering culture. We value innovation, technical excellence, efficiency, focus, customer orientation, and simplicity. Together with our customers and employees, we grow and evolve. We are bringing the factory of the future into reality. Leveraging cloud computing, the Internet of Things, big data, artificial intelligence, and digital twin technologies to make manufacturing smarter, more agile, efficient, secure, and personalized. Welcome to Arcuchi Technology. Grow together. Become a better you.